Did you know you can save any Twitter or Twitter thread to Notion? So there is a tag SaveToNotion. You can save your favorite tweets and threads to your Notion workspace. Just follow SaveToNotion and check the pinned tweet to start. So here's what you need to do. Duplicate a database, connect that database. So duplicate check. So you just need to go to this link Twitter profile and then just click the link to duplicate the database. Connect the database and connect to me at SaveNotion. I will send you a link. Follow it to connect that wizard in the first step. So yeah, you can see you just need to DM this account and then something like that. It's done. Now you can simply save tweets and threads by mentioning SaveToNotion in a reply. You have to use one of these hashtags, tweet or hashtag thread. Otherwise the mention will be ignored. So there you have it, thread. So something like that. Yeah. So that's the interesting tool. Definitely to give it a try.